Royal Botanic Gardens, Melbourne has been a treasured part of Melbourne's cultural life for more than 170 years, much loved by generations of Victorians, as well as by many visitors from interstate and overseas. It is a picturesque haven for recreation and an important resource for education, conservation, science, and horticulture. Melbourne Gardens extends over 38 hectares and houses a collection of more than 8,500 species of plants from around the world, including amazing and diverse plant collections such as camellias, rainforest flora, cacti and succulents, roses, Californian species, herbs, perennials, cycads, plants from southern China, and, in the rare and threatened species collection, plants from southeastern Australia. Royal Botanic Gardens, Melbourne is widely admired as a living work of art and one of the world's most beautiful botanic gardens. Within the gardens are specially curated living collections. Our living collections are made up of accurately identified, documented, and labeled plants for conservation, display, education, interpretation, and research. Some collections are in a specific location in the gardens, for example the New Zealand collection or the Australian Forest Walk. Others are distributed throughout the gorgeous plantings in garden beds or as signature specimens in lawns. Melbourne's Royal Botanic Gardens is a cherished institution, offering a lush sanctuary amidst the bustling urban environment. The gardens have a rich history spanning over 170 years and have played a pivotal role in the city's cultural and botanical heritage. Let us explore the origins, development, and ongoing significance of the Royal Botanic Gardens, highlighting key milestones and contributions from notable figures, including pioneering arborists and botanists. The establishment of the Royal Botanic Gardens in Melbourne can be attributed to Charles La Trobe, the superintendent of the Port Phillip district. In 1846, La Trobe selected a site along the Yarra River for the creation of a botanical garden. His vision was to create a space that would not only serve as a scientific and educational resource, but also provide a place of recreation and beauty for the public. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.